Ever feel like your shots should be better, but something just isn't clicking? For beginners, the right clubs can completely change the game. Welcome to my channel. Today I reveal the best golf clubs for beginners that boost confidence fast. Check the links in the description and start your golf journey with the right gear. The number 5 product on our list is Shorties Golf Club. Ever notice how a kid's excitement for golf can disappear the moment the clubs in their hands feel too big, too heavy, or simply too hard to swing? That's the hidden struggle many beginner families face, and it's exactly why this youth-focused set feels like a breath of clarity from the very first swing. The story opens with the perfectly sized driver, giving young players that thrilling lift off the tee without demanding strength they don't yet have. Then the hybrid steps in, smoothing out the long shot challenge beginners usually fear, creating a sense of relief and early confidence that makes the game feel fun instead of frustrating. As the irons come into play, the weighting becomes the star, helping kids find a natural swing path that leads to cleaner, more consistent contact, something many lower quality junior sets simply don't support. Compared to other beginner options in this space, this one feels more intentional, offering real forgiveness and launch support instead of just shrinking adult clubs. The putter adds another layer of joy, giving young golfers alignment help that actually teaches good habits while still feeling intuitive. The lightweight stand bag ties everything together with comfort and organization that make kids feel capable and independent on the course. Pros include perfect sizing, lightweight build, and beginner-friendly forgiveness. The drawback is that stronger or older juniors may outgrow it quickly. After real-world testing, it's clear who this set is ideal for: young beginners who deserve equipment crafted for their height, strength, and learning curve, making every swing feel easier, smarter, and filled with excitement to keep playing. At number 4 is PGM Golf Club. Ever notice how a beginner's passion for golf can fade the moment their clubs feel too stiff, too heavy, or simply too hard to control? That struggle is especially true for kids stepping onto the course for the first time. And it's exactly why this junior-focused set feels like such a breath of encouragement from the very first swing. The story begins with the woods light forgiving and designed to launch the ball with minimal effort, giving young players that early spark of confidence every beginner deserves. As the hybrid steps in, the relief becomes even more noticeable, offering a smooth, friendly alternative to long irons that often frustrate new golfers. The irons continue that supportive narrative with flexible shafts and high lofts that help kids find height and control without forcing perfect mechanics, something many cheaper beginner sets fail to provide. Compared to other youth options in this category, this one feels more balanced, more durable, and genuinely tuned for proper development rather than just playtime. The putter adds another layer of comfort, giving young golfers alignment clarity that helps build good habits early on. Then the lightweight stand bag wraps everything together with easy transport, dual straps, and the kind of organization that makes kids feel capable and independent. Pros include excellent forgiveness, durable construction, and junior-friendly lofts. The drawback is that taller or advanced young players may outgrow it quickly. After real use testing, it's clear who this set is built for: beginners who need equipment that nurtures skills, boosts confidence, and turns early rounds into fun, motivating experiences that keep them excited to come back. The third one on our list is TKG Golf Club. Ever notice how a beginner's entire experience with golf can shift depending on whether their clubs feel inviting or intimidating? That early turning point is where many young players either fall in love with the game or quietly walk away from it. And that's why this thoughtfully built youth set feels like such a reassuring breakthrough the moment it's unboxed. The story starts with a complete toolkit, giving new golfers every essential they need without overwhelming them. The driver brings the first spark of excitement with a confident launch that feels surprisingly easy, helping beginners experience those rewarding, soaring shots that keep them motivated. The hybrid steps in next, smoothing out long approaches with a friendly, forgiving design that removes the fear so many kids feel toward harder-to-hit irons. As the 7-iron and wedge come into play, the balanced weighting gives beginners a sense of control that builds trust swing after swing, something many starter sets fail to achieve. The putter ties the experience together with a steady, intuitive feel that encourages proper mechanics rather than guessing. Compared to other beginner sets, this one brings more comfort and organization thanks to a lightweight stand bag with an automatic leg system that feels surprisingly premium. Pros include complete convenience, beginner-friendly forgiveness, and ergonomic carry support. The drawback is that advanced juniors may quickly want more specialized performance. After real testing, it becomes clear who this set is perfect for: young beginners who need equipment designed to nurture confidence, encourage proper technique, and make every early round feel easy, exciting, and full of momentum toward real improvement. On number 2 is Wilson Golf Club. Ever notice how a beginner's entire outlook on golf can change with just one great swing? That spark usually comes from finally holding a club that feels like it's helping instead of fighting. And that's exactly where this teen-focused set steps in with surprising confidence. The story begins with the oversized driver, built to feel stable and inviting, giving new players that first satisfying lift that makes distance feel possible rather than intimidating. As the round unfolds, the irons start shaping the experience, bringing a deep, perimeter-weighted balance that turns mishits into learning moments instead of discouragement, something many entry-level sets fail to deliver. The wedge adds another emotional shift, offering a smooth, easy launch that makes greenside play feel manageable, even for absolute beginners, giving them a sense of control they didn't expect to find this early. Compared to other beginner-friendly options in this category, this one stands out for how well it supports developing swing mechanics, offering forgiveness and stability without overwhelming the player. Then the carry bag ties everything together with comfort and practicality, keeping weight off the shoulders and giving young golfers a setup that actually feels personal and easy to manage. Pros include excellent forgiveness, beginner-friendly launch, and a lightweight, thoughtfully designed bag. The drawback is that advanced teams may eventually want more specialized performance. After real testing, it's clear who this set is perfect for. Growing beginners who want a supportive, confidence-building introduction to the game with clubs that make learning feel smooth, smart, and genuinely exciting from the very first round. Now moving to the last one is Precise Golf Club. Ever notice how stepping into golf as a beginner can feel overwhelming? Like every club is demanding perfection you're not ready to give yet. That's the moment so many new players either fall in love with the game or walk away. And that's exactly why this complete set feels like a turning point from the very first swing. Its story starts with the oversized driver, a confidence booster that lifts the ball with surprising ease, giving beginners that rush of relief when they finally see height and distance without forcing it. Then the fairway wood and hybrid step in, smoothing out those intimidating long shots with forgiving faces and friendly launch angles that make the game feel approachable instead of punishing. As you move into the irons, the consistency becomes the highlight. The balanced steel shafts offer a sense of control that beginners rarely experience this early, helping mishits feel manageable and solid shots feel addictive. Compared to other options in the beginner category, this set stands out for its smart blend of forgiveness and progression, giving new golfers tools that actually help them improve rather than just survive a round. The stand bag completes the experience with comfort, storage, and a professional feel that adds a touch of pride to every outing. Pros include easy launch, forgiving clubheads, and versatility across all situations. The drawback is that advanced players may eventually want more specialized irons. After real course testing, it becomes clear who this set is for. Beginners who want a smooth, confidence-building entry into golf with equipment that supports growth, reduces stress, and makes every round feel more enjoyable than the last. So guys, this was the video about the best golf clubs for beginners. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.